Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to open an Exness demo account and also how to link it to your MT5 account. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download the app from your Play Store, whether on Apple or Google Play Store. After doing that, next open and sign up on the Exness app. After you sign up, go to the profile section and fill in your details to get verified. Make sure you get verified, guys. They will be asking you for, depending on your country, for like Nigeria, your name, some personal identifications. After that, come back to the account section and click on the down button. Okay, after you do that, you see real, demo and archived. Click on demo, click on the plus sign. Okay, after that you will see different accounts for selection. Click on standard account, leave everything to its setting and just put a nickname that you like your account to be called. After you do that, click on continue. Put a password, something that you can remember. Okay, your account has been created. Now let's add some money to it. Click on deposit, add money to it. Normally people want to add like 1 million, $1,000, but I say add something that you know that in a real life account you can add the same money to it. I really believe this will help your psychology in terms of growing the account. Click on details, go to setting. That's where you will copy your logins. Just click on it and it will copy. That is what we'll be using to sign up on the MT5 account. After you copy it, move over to MT5. Okay, now we are on the MT5 account. Click the hamburger button up there. I already have an account here. Just click on the plus sign. Click on find broker so that you can find a demo broker for Exness. There are different brokers here. You take the first one. I think that's a universal one, Exness technology, and there are different options here. Check your Exness saver. You see Exness MT5 trial at 9 account. That's the one you'll be clicking on so that you are able to sign in. I think it's supposed to be the last one, trial 9. Yes, that's the one you click on. Then you input your logins that you copied and your password. Always remember to save your password. Let it be something you can easily remember. After doing this, make sure you log in and voila, your account has been created. For now, the market has closed, but you can see if you want to add a live market, you can go back to the quote section, click on the plus button, and you can add any currency pairs of your choice. For now, I believe your BTC USD runs all through 7 days a week, so let's check BTC USD. And just like that, it has been added. Click on chart and we have BTC USD running. That's how you add an account on Exness, or you link an account on Exness to your MT5. I hope this was easy. I hope it's something you can easily do on your own. Let's zoom in and look at the market. Quite easy. From here you can start making trades, buying, selling on the market. Easy stuff. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions. Do well to subscribe. I'd like to see you again. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something. Have a nice day.